How to make a YouTube short in your CapCut PC. For this, open your CapCut and select a project or create a new video. So right here, the most important thing is the ratio of your short. For that, tap on this ratio option and set it to 9:16. That is our short ratio. You can go ahead and drag this video to a full screen or rotate it or leave as just it is. Once you are done, you can go ahead and add audio to your video. As you can see, I've already done it. You can also add some text by tapping on text, then tapping on this plus sign icon right here. You can type in anything that you want in your YouTube short. As I don't want a text, let me go ahead and remove it quickly. Then you have options such as effects, stickers, transitions, filters, and more that you can go ahead and set it up right here. And once you are satisfied, just tap on the export bubble at the top. You can change the resolution of the video by simply tapping on this resolution drop icon and selecting the resolution of your preference. You can select the frame rate to 60 FPS as well. You can also give it a title. For an example, I'll be typing a fine day. Then once you are happy with it, all you have to do is press on export, then simply upload it in your YouTube short. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.